Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We are back for another one-take bag review, and this time I've got a really cool one for you. Check it out. We've got the extra large version of the Tomtoc EDC Sling. This one is designed to hold laptops. So we've checked out two other sizes of the EDC Sling from Tomtoc in the past. We did the really small one, which was great for just everyday essentials. We did the medium-sized one, and I'm going to put links to all this stuff in the video description, of course. We did the medium-sized one that is perfectly sized for a tablet carry, and that's one of my favorite bags of all times, and it's actually the most watched video ever on this channel, so pretty cool little side fact there. All right, so now we're doing the large version, and I'm excited to share it with you. Is it as good? You can see that it's got a very similar look to the other two versions of this bag. This is the only colorway that this one comes in. The medium-sized one now has a kind of gold champagne-colored colorway. The smaller version has a white colorway in addition to this black standard look. You know what we do on this channel, everybody. We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to look at the outside of this bag first, then the inside of the bag, get into all the nooks and crannies, and then we're going to do two things that we like about the bag, two things, not so much, and then an overall recommendation for you. Should you buy this bag? Okay, so let's dive in. This is the large version of the Tomtoc EDC Sling. You can get this off Amazon or directly from Tomtoc. The best prices I've seen are usually on Amazon. Link in the video description. So on the front of this bag, you can see the whole thing is kind of made with a really nice nylon, little TPU coated down here on the bottom, rubberized, whatever word they would like us to use there. You've got compression straps on the bottom that can also double for sticking an umbrella or a tripod or a jacket through to hold. You've got a grab handle on top. On the back of the bag, again, slim nylon, some padding, not a ton back here. A nice handle and a nice strap. This is padded. Again, not so beefy on the padding. And we'll talk a little bit more about this strap here in a minute. All right. That's about it. You have a little branding right here that says Tomtoc Original. And then you have some branding right here that says Tomtoc. You've got nice zipper pulls with some high contrast red stitching on this front one and then black stitching on these ones. Okay, that's about it. You've got two attachment points on the side here that you can clip things to should you be so moved. I haven't figured out what I would possibly use those for, and I've got multiple bags from Tomtoc, so not sure what the vision is for these beyond a cool little detail. All right, let's get into the pockets. So, first pocket on the front, you have a admin panel with basically two slip pockets. They're not elasticized, but you've got two slip pockets and then the front drop pocket. In here, I've put some medicine, I've put a little wallet, I've put my blue light blocking glasses, a pocket knife, my favorite pocket knife ever, by the way. I've done a video on this knife before. It's just really, really nice. It's from Kershaw, and they make a couple of different knives that are all kind of the same here. They only cost about 20 bucks. I love using this thing. So link to that in the video description as well. Cheap knife, great, and a real pleasure to use. All right, what else do I have in here? I've got my AirPods clipped to the key carabiner with the red strap. Very nice. That actually has a good length on it too, which is a frustration I have with a lot of key carabiners, that they don't really have any length to them, so they're kind of useless. This one has pretty good length on it. And then I have a little foldable phone holder from Joby. All right, so that's the front. You got a good sized pocket. It runs the whole length of this panel here, and you've got two pockets inside the pocket. Good admin pocket. Good zipper, but no zipper pulls on the side, so it can get a little bit caught up with the scrunchiness of this material. All right, main compartment, the main event. All right, the main event for this bag, frankly, is that it handles a laptop. The other slings from Tomtoc in the EDC series up until recently did not, but they did just introduce a larger version of the medium-sized sling, which will hold a small 13-inch laptop. This one holds a 15-inch laptop. A cool-looking laptop, right? Yeah. So this holds a 15-inch laptop in the laptop sleeve on the back there. And you can see some little branding right here, a Cordura brand tag and then a Tomtoc tag. This is a nice cushion compartment back here for the laptop. Holds, again, a 15-inch laptop, no problem at all. And then on the inside here, this is kind of a black on black design, right? Black interior, black exterior, no contrast at all. On the inside here, I've got a switch, and then you've got a pretty large main compartment here. I mean, you got a pretty good amount of room. Not a ton of extra give on the bottom. The compression straps are kind of for decoration because there's not a lot of cinch to the way they built the bag itself. But this is a pretty roomy main compartment. And then on the back panel here, I'll try and show you this. You have 1, 2 little pockets here that do have some stretch to them. This one is an elasticized mesh. I put my cords in it. This one over here is non-mesh, but it is still have a little bit of elastic in the top of it. I put my power brick in there. Then you have a zippered pocket on the back here that runs the whole length of the bag, and it is just a slip pocket, okay? And I put in some extra cords in there. All right, one more pocket to show you with this bag. On the back, you have kind of a hidden pocket that is about 11-inch iPad sized, although this is not a place to slip a tablet. There's not a ton of cushioning, and you'd kind of have to do kind of an angled game to get it in there, but that's about the size that it actually is an 11-inch tablet without a case on it. So I think the vision for this pocket, of course, is passports and tickets and that kind of thing that you want to stash up against your body rather than being on an exterior pocket of the bag. Okay, that's the walkthrough of this bag from Tomtoc, a company that I just absolutely adore. So, 2 things that I love about this bag. Well, the first thing that I love about this bag is the front pocket. Very nice. It's extremely useful. It's huge sized. It is accessible when you swing the sling around to your bag. It points the right direction, points up when you kind of sling the sling around and it ends up this way. You reach down in there. You've got 2 pockets that are very useful. You've got a lengthy key carabiner. This pocket is well done. The second thing that I like about this bag is the pockets on the back side of the interior. So that's a lot of pockets that I like, right? But that's kind of where this bag shines. It's got the right amount of pockets for a bag this size, and they're not overly specified. You don't have pen holders. You don't have kind of very specific AirPod size things. Sometimes these admin sections can get really specific, and then you can find yourself, you know, with an accessory that you love not being able to fit into the bag that you love, okay? So on the back here, you've got 2 stretchy pockets, you've got a slip pocket and a laptop sleeve and a main compartment. I think that's well executed. I think you could argue here that they missed a trick by not putting a zippered pocket on this side, but it's a cheap bag, so they probably cut a few corners. All right, I forgot to mention as well, you've got AquaGuard on the zipper on top here that the laptop is in. And this zipper is fairly well protected on the front, although it is not AquaGuard. All right, 2 things I don't like about this bag. Well, there's quite actually a few things that I don't like about this bag, which was shocking to me, absolutely shocking, because I love every Tomtoc bag that I own. Like, love them. I use them a lot. My EDC small bag is a great city bag, and I use it a ton. And my EDC medium bag from Tomtoc also gets a ton of use as a tablet carry. So what about this bag? Well, first off, the strap is wrong, okay? So this is sold as a crossbody EDC bag, but when you wear it crossbody, look what happens. I know you can adjust this thing and adjust it out and tighten it, but the strap is only, well, the strap is a messenger bag strap, if I'm being honest. I mean, look at how this thing is built. It's got a gap on both sides. It doesn't tighten up enough at the top for my liking. Yeah, and I'm just disappointed. I'm disappointed in the strap. I'm disappointed in how this bag carries against you. It's more of a messenger than it is a crossbody. So my other two Tomtoc bags are kind of perfect. And heck, my switch case from Tomtoc is kind of perfect. Like everything I've gotten from Tomtoc has gotten a lot of use and I've really enjoyed it. But I don't like the way this bag carries at all, really. And that brings me to the second thing that I don't really like about this bag, which is the choice or lack thereof of colors. The bag feels bland. It feels kind of boring. When you pick it up, when you use it, it doesn't have the same kind of wow quality that my other Tomtoc bags do. And I don't understand why. I pulled them out and compared them. I just think there's too many other bags that are kind of exactly like this, but even do it better. So the materials are not wow, the colors are not wow, the liner is not wow, the laptop sleeve is not wow, and the bag for around 50 bucks, you get what you pay for, but if you pay just like 20 bucks more, you can get a nicer a nicer sling for laptops from Air. You can get one from Wexley, you can get one from Alpaca. Yeah, so I don't know. Tomtoc, I love you, but I don't love this bag. So what's my overall recommendation? This one's a pass for me, which is shocking. I ordered this bag and I thought that I was going to love it because I've loved everything else I've bought from Tomtoc. But no dice, this one's not great. So that's my simple, honest review. Your mileage may vary, but I recommend you check out a few other options for laptop slings over this one. But if you want a tablet sling, just go one size lower. Get the Tomtoc EDC Sling in the gold champagne color, super, super sweet, and get it in the medium size. So that's it for now. Wanderers, thank you as always. Truly appreciate you being here. If you got value from this review, please, please, please subscribe. We'd love to see you back here. And thank you, everyone. See you next time. Bye for now.